Let's see how you can purchase a product license on TaxTron website. So you have installed the product on your desktop, and now you want to buy a license for filing your income tax return. On the TaxTron website main page, you have an option, products for personal use. You will click it. A drop menu will open for you. For multiple products, you will choose T1 Personal for Windows. You will proceed to the next page where you have an option to purchase an individual license for $19.99 or a family license for $39.99. You are filing for individual, you will click individual, a new page will open. You will scroll down and you will put how many quantities, 1, 2, or 3 you are looking for, and the year of taxation you are going to file. You can purchase previous years from 2013 onward to 2021. You will click, after choosing the quantity, you will click add to the cart. Product will be added to your cart and you will click proceed to the checkout. Here, your shopping cart contains the product and the GST and the total cost showing $20.99. If GST, if you are Alberta resident. If you are Ontario resident, this GST will change into HST as soon you will correct your residential address with the province of residence. You will write down your email address. You will type in your first name and last name. And your address. You will change the province to Ontario, city, and postal code, and your phone number. See, the moment you change the province, HST has been popped up for $2.60, and now your product cost is $22.59. You will type in your card information, the expiry of the card, and the 3 digits at the back of your credit card. There will be additional 2.99% credit card transaction fee will be charged on your credit card transaction. You will click pay. As soon you will click pay, payment will be processed, an email will be generated and will send to you on your given email address with the receipt of payment and the license information. So that's how you will purchase the TaxTron product for Windows at TaxTron website.